just published their 2025 Senior-Friendly Car Guide. As a mechanic with 15 years in the shop, I need to tell you what they left out. These so-called safe, easy-to-drive cars come with hidden problems that will cost you thousands. I'm exposing 6 cars from their list that seniors should avoid, and the repair nightmares AAA won't mention. Let's get into it. Honda Civic Hybrid Sport Touring. AAA loves it for fuel economy and safety tech. Here's what they didn't tell you. That hybrid battery, it'll need replacement between 100,000 and 150,000 miles. Cost? $3,000 to $4,500 installed. And good luck finding an independent shop that'll touch it. You're stuck paying Honda dealer rates. The regenerative braking system confuses seniors. I've had customers panic because the brake pedal feels different every time they press it. That's not a defect. That's how hybrids work. But it's dangerous if you're not expecting it. And those advanced safety features? The collision mitigation system throws false alarms constantly. Lane keeping assist fights you on narrow roads. Seniors end up disabling the safety tech because it's too aggressive. AAA says it's senior friendly. I say it's a $4,500 battery bill waiting to happen. Subaru Forester. AAA picked it for all-wheel drive and easy entry. Let me show you the problems. The CVT transmission is a ticking time bomb. I've replaced dozens of these between 80,000 and 120,000 miles. Cost? $5,000 to $7,000. Subaru extended the warranty to 100,000 miles because they know it's a problem. What happens at 101,000 miles? You're paying out of pocket. Oil consumption is ridiculous on 2011 to 2015 models. Seniors who don't check their oil weekly will blow the engine. I've seen it happen. A quart every 1,000 miles is normal for Subaru. That's not normal for any other brand. And here's the kicker. The oil filter is buried under the engine. You can't check your own oil filter without a lift. So much for easy maintenance 8AA promised. Chair height seating sounds great until you're paying $1,200 for strut replacements every 60,000 miles because of the extra weight. Hyundai Tucson. AA says it's affordable and comfortable. I say it's a lawsuit on wheels. Hyundai and Kia are being sued for engine fires. The Theta 2 engine in 2016 to 2021 Tucsons can catch fire even when parked. Hyundai issued a recall, but fires are still happening. Do you want to park that in your garage? The dual clutch transmission jerks and hesitates. Seniors think something's broken. Hyundai says it's normal. I say it's dangerous when you're pulling into traffic and the car won't accelerate. Touchscreen failures are common after 50,000 miles. No touchscreen means no climate control, no backup camera, no radio. Replacement? $1,500 to $2,000. And you can't use aftermarket parts. It's all dealer only. AAA didn't mention any of this. I'm mentioning it because I've seen the repair bills. Chrysler Pacifica PHEV. AAA loves it for seniors who need space. I've worked on enough of these to know better. The plug-in hybrid system is a maintenance nightmare. You've got a gas engine, an electric motor, and a battery pack. When something breaks, you're paying specialist rates. I've seen $4,000 bills for hybrid system repairs that aren't covered by warranty. Electrical gremlins are everywhere. Power sliding doors stop working. Tailgate won't open. Infotainment system freezes. These aren't one-off problems. They're common on 2017 to 2020 models. And that Uconnect system, it's so complicated that seniors can't figure out how to turn on the rear defroster. I've had customers bring their Pacifica back 3 times just to learn the touchscreen. Stellantis reliability is bottom tier. This van will spend more time at the dealer than in your driveway. Toyota Corolla Cross. AAA picked it because it's a Toyota, but not all Toyotas are created equal. This is a brand new model. No long-term reliability data. You're the guinea pig, and early reports show transmission shuddering on 2022 to 2023 models. Toyota issued a software update, but the problem isn't fixed. The CVT transmission isn't the bulletproof automatic Toyota used to build. It's a cost-cutting measure, and when it fails outside warranty, you're looking at $4,000 to replace it. Ground clearance is only 8.1 inches. A says it's easy to get in and out of. I say it scrapes on every driveway and speed bump. Seniors end up with damaged undercarriage panels that cost $800 to replace. The blind spot monitoring system has a huge delay. By the time it warns you, the car is already next to you. That's not safety, that's a false sense of security. BMW iX xDrive 50. AAA named it their midsize SUV winner. Let me tell you why that's insane. This is a $90,000 electric SUV. Seniors on fixed incomes can't afford the purchase price, let alone the repairs. A single body panel replacement costs $5,000 because of the aluminum construction. The all-electric drivetrain sounds simple until something breaks. There are only a handful of BMW-certified EV technicians in most states. You'll wait weeks for an appointment and pay $200 per hour labor rates. Range anxiety is real for seniors. DA says 324 miles of range. Reality: in winter with the heater on, you're getting 220 miles. Seniors who forget to plug it in overnight are stranded. And that massive curved touchscreen? It's a $7,000 replacement if it cracks. Insurance doesn't always cover it. One rock chip on the highway, and you're out $7,000. This isn't a senior-friendly car. This is a luxury tech experiment that'll bankrupt you. So, what should seniors actually buy? Let me give you 3 cars that won't drain your wallet. Toyota Camry, 2012 to 2017. Traditional automatic transmission. No hybrid complexity. Parts are cheap. Every mechanic knows how to fix it. You'll get 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Honda Accord, 2013 to 2017. Same story. Proven V6 or 4-cylinder engine. No CVT nonsense. Comfortable, reliable, and repair costs are half what you'd pay on these AAA picks. Mazda CX-5 2016 to 2021. If you need an SUV, this is it. Traditional 6-speed automatic. No turbo, no hybrid. Just a solid, dependable crossover that won't surprise you with $5,000 repair bills. AAA focused on new car safety ratings and tech features. I'm focused on what actually matters, keeping you on the road without emptying your retirement account. There's a difference. If this saved you from a $5,000 mistake, hit subscribe. I post videos exposing what the car industry doesn't want you to know. Drop a comment. Which LY pick surprised you the most? I'll see you in the next one.